Yeah, new truck feeling fresh.
Got that 25 Ranger, had to elevate the sound. Pulled the signal from the harness, ain't no diagnostic frown. Ran the power through the firewall, feel the voltage flowing clean. Grounded to the chassis, building up a heavyweight machine. Subwoofer in the back, now ready for that low hertz test. Crank the gain up slow and steady, putting all my work to rest. No rattle in the cabin, just that perfect bass. Kick a mono block, that CXA 800.1, that's a problem. Got the gain structure dialed in, now the whole block gotta solve them. VCWR 12-inch loaded enclosure, hear that pure tone. Hit that low frequency, shaking every bolt down to the bone. LC2I Pro, bringing back the signal I was missing, yeah. Audio control, got the clarity, this a whole new definition. Lift the seat, make the room, yeah, that was the mission. Now the whole chassis shaking from the new edition. Got that low end thump that you can feel in your soul. This little Ranger hits different, taking back control. That vibration rattling everything, making the mirrors blur. It's a whole new system sound, that's for sure. Yeah, that sub in my Ranger.